Hi there, my name is Sheila and I love taking pictures and photographs of everything around me. Would you like to look at some of them? This is a photo of my friend's dog Tim running to eat his dinner. This is a photo of some beautiful girls jumping and having fun. And this is a picture of my cat sleeping. Did you know what all the photos had in common? In all the pictures, the person or animal is doing something like running, jumping or sleeping. Words that tell us what someone or something is doing are called verbs. Verbs play a very important role when talking, reading and writing in English. In fact, you can't have a sentence or a question without a verb. That's how important these action words are. A verb is usually an action or some type of movement. It can be mental, physical or mechanical, but verbs always express some kind of activity. Physical verbs are action verbs. They describe specific physical actions like running, jumping, swimming, etc. If you can create an action with your body, like saying hello or bye, or use a tool to complete an action, like writing, the word you use to describe it is mostly a physical verb. In these cases, it's waving and writing. Now let's look at some examples. I can see the train coming. Call me when you're finished with class. They're playing a game of basketball. Can you pick out the verbs? In the first sentence, the word see is the verb because the action the person is making is seeing. In the second sentence, the verb is call because the action is calling someone. And in the last sentence, the verb is playing because the group of people are probably playing basketball. I had also said that verbs can be mental. How is that possible? Mental verbs have meanings that are related to concepts such as discovering, understanding, thinking or planning. An example of such a verb is knowing. This is not an action that we can see, but it's still an invisible action. Look at these sentences and try to figure out what the verbs are. I know the answer. Do you believe everything you hear? She didn't understand the situation at all. In the first example, the verb is know. In the second sentence, the word believe is the verb. Although there is no action for believing in something, the word believe is a verb. The last example uses the word understand as the verb. The action of understanding or to understand falls under the heading of verb. Verbs are all around us. In every sentence we speak or listen to, there's a verb. So the next time you listen to someone, pay close attention to what they're saying and try and pick out the verbs. You'll definitely find at least one.